Hello, friends. I'm your friend Manish Pradhan. Before going to Sacred Forest, I have come over to so many waterfalls. The one of them was Jowai Waterfall, which is just located in the middle of the highway. You will see on the right hand side. So I can capture from the drone. This is the view from the top. It's a very nice waterfall. And one of the waterfall is Bophill waterfall. That is also very beautiful. It's very nice. It's like step by step coming downstairs. Very nice. This is the end of my video. It's short and sweet. Going to Sacred Forest, it will be a little bit longer so I can show you everything. Okay, what rituals, what is the thing, everything. So this is the end. Bye bye, take care.